Ever wondered why this channel is called MusKernel? Hi there, I'm MusKernel. I created MusKernel to share my love for technology, creativity, and learning. So, why MusKernel? Mus comes from my name, MusKernel, and kernel. In computers, the kernel is the heart of the operating system. It connects everything and keeps things running smoothly. Together, MusKernel means the creative core where my ideas and technology meet. Here, you'll discover fun tech topics, simple explanations about IT, and creative projects that make learning easy and exciting.
If you love exploring new things, you're in the right place. So, hit that subscribe button and join me on this journey. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.